Okay guys, I want to check this place. Then we are going to see some monkeys. So follow me, let me show you some size. No, I'm seeing a bird over there. That way, let's go. According to the history, they say a lot of things will be out here in the valley, but we are not seeing anything. Hopefully, this was caused by monkeys and reptiles. Show them. Okay. I don't know. Let's check around the place. In case you are wondering which place is this, which forest is this? This is the Bonny Nature Park. Located at Rivers State, Nigeria. And it's a place where they say it's full of reptiles, nature, its habitat. So you're just gonna check it out. I could see few animals. At least I saw butterflies over there. Few butterflies are flying on the ground. But that's not the case. That's not what you are looking for. You are looking for crocodiles, lion, tiger, cheetahs. That's what you want to see. In case you are not seeing anything there, that means this place is 0 out of 100. So that's what I'm rating this place. So far so good. This place looks so dry. Don't see anything around. I think I'm hearing a little sound. Maybe that's big. I don't know. Let's check this place out. The place is long. Extremely long. Like the place is long. I don't know what's happening. No animals so far. Just full of forest.
And butterflies.
And butterflies. The butterflies are even fake. They are all fake. Look at. You rarely see this thing in the street. So this is 0 butterflies. Looking for something nice, something attractive, something that will catch attention to my YouTube, to at Mr. Laflane. So please subscribe to see more of these videos. Let's see. No animals too far. We have walked over 1,000 miles from now. We're not seeing anything. Nothing is showing. Nothing yet. Let's get around.